everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Exclusive Motors. I'm George, and today we've got the Mustang GT California Special. Check this bad boy out. This is a really rare combination of options and colors. Apparently, the person who traded it in said it's one of 3 in his area, which would be the extended Bay Area in California. Super clean, really well maintained, with a factory Ford Racing Catback exhaust system upgrade. Now, you probably heard it in the beginning of the video. Don't worry, the car was warmed up before I pushed the gas to 4K RPM, but I'm sure you heard how amazing it sounds compared to the stock exhaust, but still California smog legal. Now let's go ahead and start walking around this Mustang and see how it looks on the interior as well. Here we go. Now the California Special comes with a black grille, side decals, nicer wheels that are going to come in either 18 or 19, which I believe these are the 19s. And the Shelby look-alike spoiler. California Special. And here's that Ford Racing exhaust tip. Really nice lines on this car. Looks even nicer with this set of wheels. 5.0. The California decal. Well, I guess they would call it a racing stripe. What I really like about this car are the hood louves here. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, but also the hood stripes. Now, they don't go over the top of the car, but they do look really good on the hood, which is kind of the way I like it. In case you're watching and haven't looked this up online, that's Exclusive Motors, the number 4 and the letter U.com, and there's our phone number. Now let's go open up this car and take a look inside. As you can see here, you've got the 4 indents, and that's gonna give you the passive entry right there. So no need to ever take the keys out of your pocket. This particular example is going to be a manual transmission, which is the preferred transmission for these cars on a regular basis. Really clean interior. Now, when you're looking at the seats, the suede cloth type of material doesn't come off too well on videos, or on camera, I should say, because it actually looks, well, dirty when it's not dirty. So the cars, I do promise, the car seats are very clean. And we'll show you the rear here. Absolutely clean. Pretty much like brand new. Now I'll go jumping on the other side. And show you the car from the inside on this side as well. There is a passenger seat, really clean. Get into the back here, really clean. Hard to find any flaws on this car. If I see one, I will let you know. Otherwise, you're gonna have to come over here and find it yourself. You got your California Special badge right there. Really nice interior. All your cockpit switches right there. It's like a real jet fighter here, a muscle jet fighter. There's the door panel on the passenger side. As you can see, very well taken care of. meticulously cared for. Now, can we find some curb rash? The front right wheel is completely clean. So is the back right. And looks like the left side will be completely clean as well. No curb rash on this car. Now, I did have it warmed up before so I could give it some more gas on video, and you can hear this engine and exhaust purr. All right, well, let's hop in and turn this bad boy on. Make sure it's not in gear. And here we go. Nice startup. It's a little bit louder on cold start, actually quite a bit louder. Although, like I said, I did have it warmed up, as you can tell by the RPM position. Now, if you connect your phone, you're going to get a little bit more options as far as apps goes. If you click mobile apps right now, you won't really be able to do anything because my phone is not connected to the car. Once you get your apps going, you'll have a lot more choices here. Of course, it's going to have the Bluetooth audio with the music, steering wheel controls, cruise control, all your different driving modes down here. For example, stiffer handling, comfort, sport mode. And then you got your Sport Plus track mode. It's a little bit blurry there. Let's see if I can zoom in. Here we go. You got your track mode, well, snow mode, not that you're going to use that much. And one more time, here's the steering functions: sport, comfort, normal. I like to drive on sport mode, but to each their own. I just like a stiffer ride, especially when it comes to sports cars. So another plus here is you got the Shaker audio system. Pretty good sound system, 12 speakers, with some really nice trims along the interior of the vehicle. Altogether, these Mustangs were made, in my opinion, very well, and they drive even better. So let's give it some gas and see what this baby sounds like from the inside of the car. We'll bring it up to about 4,000 RPM. Now I'm gonna open the door so you get a little bit of both. Man, I love that sound. As you can see, this is one of the nicer 2017 Mustang GT California Specials out there. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, as you'll help me keep making more videos of the cars that we buy and sell. And if you didn't like this video, please like and subscribe anyway. I'm George, and this is another video from Exclusive Motors. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great night.